Hello and welcome to my Udemy studio. To those migrant families who have been living in fear, here is what I have to say to you. I don't know if you have a passion for science, but I do. And I happen to know one principle that has guided me alongside the Basotho proverbs. It's called Le Chatelier's principle. And it says, whenever there's a disruption in nature will tend to adjust itself to attain a balance. And that is what I live by. There's a lot of commotion happening right now in immigration, but as Le Chatelier's principle says, a balance is apt to occur, and time will tell. Nothing stays the same forever. So, if that's helpful, then it's going to be a good day. If not,